In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline an image in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to take any photo, isolate the subject, and give it that clean, professional outline effect that you often see in thumbnails, social media posts, and digital posters. First, open Canva, and either create a new design or open an existing one where you want to add your image. You can choose any size you like, such as a YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, or a custom dimension. Once your blank canvas is ready, upload the photo you want to outline, or pick one from Canva's built-in library. Drag the image onto your canvas and resize or position it roughly where you want it to appear. Don't worry about perfection yet. We'll refine it after the outline is added. Next, we need to separate the subject from the background. Select the image by clicking on it, then look for the Edit Image option in the top toolbar. Inside Edit Image, locate the Background Removal tool. This might be called Background Remover and is usually available for Canva Pro users. Click on it and wait a few seconds while Canva processes the image. When it's done, you should see your subject cleanly cut out with the background removed. If the cutout isn't perfect, use the Erase and Restore brushes that appear on the left to tidy it up. Zoom in and carefully erase any leftover background, or restore parts of the subject that were accidentally removed. Take your time here, because a clean cutout makes the outline effect look much more professional. Once your subject is nicely isolated, keep the image selected and go back to the Edit Image panel. This time, look for an effect that creates an outline or glow. Depending on your version of Canva, this might be under Shadows, Glow, or a similar effect. Click on that effect once to apply it. Then click it again to open the settings. Here, you can customize the outline, increase the size or blur to control how thick and soft the outline appears. Change the color to match your design. White is great for contrast, but you can experiment with bright colors for a more playful look. Adjust the transparency if you want the outline to be more subtle or more bold. After you're happy with the outline, reposition and resize your subject on the canvas. You can duplicate the outlined image, add text, or layer other graphics behind it to create depth. When everything looks good, download your design in your preferred format, such as PNG or JPG. That's it. Now you know how to outline an image in Canva and give your designs a polished, eye-catching finish.